Hey, it's Mark here from Editor's Keys, and today I want to tell you about my move to the Sony A6400. And what I want to do in this video is just show you a little brief comparison. I'll do a full video very soon, but the camera you're watching from now is the Canon M50. This is with the kit lens on, and as you may know, the Canon M50 only really properly films in HD. It can do 4K, but it's very, very cropped. So what I'm going to show you, I'm going to keep the camera in its kit lens. We're going to film it from the widest view. I'm going to upscale this to 4K because that's what I've been doing for all of the past videos, and then we're going to change to the Sony A6400 and just see how the footage compares. I'll also film in 4K on the Canon. So at the moment, this is the Canon M50 shooting at 1080p in a standard picture profile with the kit lens at its widest angle. What do you think of the quality so far? So next, this is the Canon M50 in 4K, but as you can see, it actually crops in. And just before we go on, I just want to let you know that I'm also using the internal microphones on both cameras, so you can see the quality of the internal microphones. Of course, often we'll use a lapel or a Rode VideoMic Pro or the SL600 USB microphone. I've left the windows open, the aircon's on in the spare room. I just want to see what it's like for ambient noise and picture quality. So what do you think of this 4K? As I say, it's got a huge crop, which was really, really annoying, and that was the main reason for potentially switching to this Canon A6400. But how will it compare? Let's test it out now, and let's see what you think. Okay, so this is now a test with the Sony. This is in 4K. I don't think I'll ever really use this in 1080p mode because I've heard the 1080p mode is not that good, and we shoot most stuff in 4K anyway. What I've been doing in the past is, as I say, upscaling the Canon M50 footage to 4K. But anyway, what do you think? This is just the standard picture profile. It's the tripod's in the same angle. We're using the inbuilt microphone still as well. Does it look sharper than the Sony Canon M50? I know, of course, the first shot was in 1080p, but the second shot was in 4K. You've got that huge crop. What do you think? Compare the two. I'll try and put some side by side now so you can see, but let me know in the comments section below. Do you think I should keep this camera as our vlogging camera? We use the Sony A7 III for some of our sort of higher end stuff. This was our vlogging camera that we took around to places like Vegas and trade shows, but I'm thinking of keeping the Sony A6400. Let me know in the comments section below, and we'll do a full feature review of this new camera coming very soon.